Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and down here I bring you two latest flagship models for you, and the left one is the Huawei p60pro and the right one is the Oppo findx6pro, and both of them are very new model in the market, and today I'm going to have a very quick and very simple comparison video about these two models for you. And we will compare them from several aspects. First, from the design, from the specification of the camera part, processor part, RAM and ROM, camera, screen, and yes, some aspect. Yeah. So first, let's talk about the design. And here, left is the Oppo. The left is the Huawei p60pro, and the right is the Oppo findx6pro. And this time for the Huawei p60pro, they provide four colors: green, purple, black, and a special white, local white. And this is the black. And also for the Oppo findx pro, they provide three colors as well: the black, green, and also the special color is, I think, the moon. This is called the moon. So this is a combination of two colors for this edition we got, and because it's here, they combine the leather with the metal, silver metal, and also the leather material. So this, for the right one, it looks more attractive, and really the design is more, I think, more for business, more special. Yeah, this is just like normal design, because the back panel just used the sand polishing, some kind of special glass, like sand polish material, and both of them not easy to left fingerprint on it. So it can, yeah, very not so dirty. It looks not so dirty if you use it for a long time. It's still will not easily to get your fingerprint on it. So this is very nice. Even though we don't get the green and black colors, but we find that both of them they have to provide green and black. So this, I think, the green and black are very popular colors as well. And also, let's go back to these two models. This is about the basic about the design, and also we can go to the camera zone design. Here they have two total different design language on the camera, and this just have a big circle, and they just like the before, like the Huawei Mate series or the Magic series, they use the big circle, and also they provide three cameras inside, and also this time they worked with Hasselblad, so we can find the Hasselblad brand name here. And also this, we can find the edge of the circle is like the camera lens, the camera lens from Canon or some professional camera lens. So this is looks more professional for the cameras part. And also here is a dual color LED flashlight. And also let's go back to the Huawei p60pro. For this part, they also has the triple camera system, but for the camera design, it's just more ordinary, more traditional, not so attractive, so special, because here they just have a rectangle zone for the camera and two small circle for the third and second and third color camera. But for the big ones have a for the main camera is a big circle. And I noticed one thing is that 1, 2, 3, this one is not the symmetrical design, because this and this are different shapes. We can find that this is different compared to this circle and also this big one. I don't know why they did like this, but I think this is for the periscope camera as well. So this is about the camera. For design, actually, personally, I think I would choose this. This looks more attractive and more specific. This is just like more normal. And also, let's go to the front. We can wake up the screen, and we can find that both of them they use the cover screen and also the the screen size is very similar, because also for the left one, the and the right one, about screen, this one is have a 6.67, on this is have a 6.82, so they have very similar screen size, and both of them are cover screen. Yeah, we can find that. So it's getting very comfortable when holding it on our hand. And they also choose the use the punch hole camera, front camera, and also we can go to the settings to check the more specification about these two devices. Yes, here. Okay, here is. Yes, here now we go to the setting page. We can find that the Huawei p60pro, they use Harmony OS, and it's the Harmony OS 3.1, and also the color OS is the it's based on Android 13, and also here is the software information we can find here, and also about the processor. We can compare later about the processor part, but this is about screen, and also and we can go to also talk about the display, because and the Huawei, they use the 2700 by 1220 display resolution, so it's 1080p display resolution, but for this is 2K display resolution, is our 3168 by 1440. It's 2K. So for the screen and this one also look the specification is better, and both of them use the AMOLED LTPO screen, and also about screen, both of them support the refresh rate. We can check the information from here as well. Display, yeah, it's a refresh rate, dynamic refresh rate here. The right one 120 and 60 Hz, this 120 and 60 Hz. So both screen are flagship screen, high-end screen in the market. For the specifications, this one actually get better specifications. And so this about the screen, the front part, and also next, I think we will go to the settings to talk about the specification about the processor. And this one, the left, as we all know, that Huawei was banned by the United States government, so this can only use the 4G chips. It's also use the Snapdragon 8 Plus processor. And also this one, the right one, they use the latest Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 processor. For you know that. For the processor, better. The right one is better, because also the 4G chips is also support the maximum 3.2 gigahertz plus 2.75 gigahertz. For this one is have a 3.1 gigahertz plus 2.8. So yes, for the specifications, it's also the Oppo findx6pro, much better processor. And also for the RAM and ROM, this one is have 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM, and also this one is have a 60GB RAM plus 250GB ROM, and it's also this supports the extra visual 4GB RAM, and also this one supports only LPDDR5 and UFS 3.1, and also this is have LPDDR5X and UFS 4.1. So yeah, processor verification, this one also looks better. And next about I think we will talk about the camera part. The camera, this one is our 32 megapixel front camera with 3 triple 50 megapixel rear cameras here. Also, this one is 8 megapixel front camera and 13 megapixel front camera, and also the main rear camera is 48 megapixel and 8 megapixel wide angle, 3 megapixel night mode. Yes, we can take some examples, measures to check. So here, examples. Three 10 times, 6 times. Yep. So it's maximum support 100, and also for this 120. Okay, let's switch to the front. Beauty mode on. Okay, so you also support wide angle for front camera. One time. So for the front camera, the Huawei support super wide angle and then normal. This support zoom. Huawei do not support zoom, so this is the difference between those two devices. Okay, this is very simple comparison about the camera, and also next is about the battery. Yes, and for the battery part, the left, the Huawei p60pro is have 4,815 mAh big batteries with capable 88-watt fast charging and wireless 50-watt fast charger. But for this, it's a bit bigger. The battery is 5,100-watt capable charging and 50-watt wireless charging. So yeah, and both of them support IP68 ratings for the waterproof. And so this is about the battery part, design, camera, and screen and processor. So this is today's very quick comparison about these two devices, to latest model and full to flagship model, and maybe yeah. So let me know which one you like. Yeah, thanks for watching. Let's attend waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.